Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Team... Wait, what? Hey, guys, welcome back to another video. It's Team Extreme here. And that was not my normal intro. That was actually someone else doing my intro. It is actually another YouTuber called TheFrighteningFry.
What's up?
And I will leave a link in his... a link in the description of his YouTube channel. And, you guys can go check him out. And... as you can tell, I'm not in my normal spot, and I actually have a flashlight with me. And this is at someone else's house, actually. I'm actually doing a 24-hour challenge at another friend's house. I'm not actually with my brother. I'm actually with another YouTuber, like I just said. So this is kind of just like a 24-hour challenge mixed with a YouTuber collage. So what we're going to be doing is like what normal people do at other people's houses. We're going to be like playing on a computer that he brought, and we might look around the house a little bit.
We're gonna have some cuts in the video because we're not gonna record all night because that would be pretty boring.
Yeah, so you guys don't want to see like
us setting up the computer.
Just like setting up the computer and just looking at everything in little tiny details and stuff, and that would be pretty boring. I know, I'm pretty boring already, so it makes no difference. But when I talk to you guys, I feel like I'm actually talking to a real person, not just a camera on my phone.
Exactly.
So that's what every YouTuber should feel like. So yeah, it's not just a blinding light in your face. It's actually like someone's actually talking to you guys. So yeah, that's just some inspiration of what it feels like to be a YouTuber. And if you guys want to become a YouTuber, like we are, and I don't want to say like I'm famous or anything because I only have like a minimum of 13 subscribers, and you guys might think I'm really annoying because I talk way too much, and some of you might think that's a good thing for a YouTuber, but honestly I think that's a bad thing because talking shouldn't be so super annoying. Well, it should be super annoying because it's just talking, and you know, it gets annoying after a long period of time. So what I'm going to be doing is stop talking, and we will just look around the house a little bit. So do you want to like scan around the house?
Let me get this set up. How many subs do you have?
13. So yeah, I'm just gonna peek around the house a little bit. I hope no one wakes up. And by the way, I know my hair's a mess, but that's just because it's 12:41 at night. I don't know if you guys could see that, but yeah, it's 12:41 in the morning, guys. Right now I'm in the living room. There's the dog. So yeah, I don't really want to wake anybody up because I'm kind of really annoying and loud. Those are the bedrooms over there. So yeah, all I did was go in a circle around the house. So yeah, we also did something tonight where it was like a competition, I guess. Did you guys hear that? I think someone's awake. It might just be a dog and I'm like hallucinating. I don't really know, guys.
It's just like the washer and dryer and furnace and stuff.
I'm being... I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it is actually really scary right now. Like, I can't really, like, see anything because I'm having this blinding light in my face. So, but we're gonna gain our confidence and we will go out there for you guys. So you guys better smash that like button right now. You wanna go out? Do you wanna go out? Yeah, there is a knife somewhere in this house. I know where it is too. We both know where it is. There's no one really in here. It's just like the dog and us. And 2 parents and our friend that's asleep. Dude, this is so creepy. Or we're gonna check the living room. It's not too far from here. Dude, what if there was like a little kid in this house? That'd be so creepy. Dude, all I see is black, man. Because of that light. So... we're gonna go back to our spot where we were.
We're
This is
gonna cut
pretty
the video
creepy.
right now and check those out. So yeah.
We're gonna cut the video right now. So I'll see you
guys
later.
in a sec.